Hey y'all, I'm Brianne from Sweet Sunshine, and today we are switching things up. I have a special guest. This is my husband, Drew, and instead of baking something, we are going to do a makeup tutorial.
I'm just gonna send it.
How do you feel? Do you think you're gonna do...
I'm confident. It's like painting a car, right?
I do not have any hope. I think this is gonna go horrendous.
Okay.
But we'll see. For those that don't ever see a close-up of me with makeup done, I will use the exact same products that he uses today, and I will do my face how I would do it. And then at the end of this video, I'll show Drew's version and my version, just so you can see how he stacks up.
If mine's better, will you be slightly offended, or you be okay with that?
I didn't think that's a realistic scenario. To make this a little easier on Drew, I have narrowed down the products that he can use. If I gave you all my foundations, you would have no idea where to start.
I don't know where to start now. Face primer by e.l.f. Do I just start like spray painting, or how does this work?
It doesn't spray out.
Should I put this on my finger, or should I use a blender ball here? I need a tip.
Use your fingers.
Okay. Are you laughing because it's too much, too little? What's going on?
I normally use 2 pumps.
2 pumps?
And now we're at 5.
We're going for 48-hour protection. I'm gonna take a leap of faith and go with the concealer before the foundation. That's just what I'm gonna do.
And where does concealer go?
I don't know, over the blemishes maybe? Alright. Okay. Concealer. Trying to conceal something.
Okay.
That's my train of thought.
Okay.
What do we think?
Also, are you saying that I have blemishes? That's rude. I'm flawless.
We're gonna go with this puppy right here.
Okay.
Big spots here. That looks like a lot. Oh, jeez. I mean, you're just naturally beautiful, so you don't really need makeup.
Did you? Yeah.
That's all I'm going with. I don't think you need more than that. But I don't know what to do from here. Do you smooth it out?
You can smooth it out if you want.
With this?
If you want.
I need a tip here.
I would use the beauty blender.
I see now that I put too much on. Now foundation, I'm gonna go for it.
Okay.
Now what's the trick with this? It's also a 2 pumper, or more than 1 or 2 pumps?
2 pumps.
And would you put it on the blender ball?
I normally put it on the back of my hand and then I dab it.
Like a palette.
Yeah, exactly.
Even strokes? Gotta get the hairline. I just made that up, I don't know if that's... There's some tough spots here to get, huh?
Yeah. But does the blendy ball have different angles that you can go?
Oh, genius. I didn't think of that. That's brought out, but I don't think there's enough coverage there.
You can cut more if you want.
Because I feel like I shouldn't be able to see, like when you do it, you look like just like flawless skin. So if I can see marks, and I should just probably need more, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna stop there.
Okay.
I feel like I go too much on that.
Okay.
And now, I'm lost. Bronzer. Ooh, that needs to go somewhere. Skin lights. This is a highlighter.
Mm-hmm.
See? They're not too, creative with the names, but... Contouring. Oh boy, I heard this is tough.
That's eyeshadow primer.
Oh my god. Second primer? Loose face powder. You said they don't have that, but I think this goes on the end. But where could it go now? I don't know. I don't know if I want to do bronzer and highlight and blush and then do the setting powder. I feel like I should do it the last step then. Set everything in.
What's this?
Setting spray.
Ooh, so which one goes now and which one goes at the end? Do you know what baking is? Have you ever heard of that?
No, I have not. I mean, cooking, but not makeup.
Okay.
Am I supposed to bake this on you?
No, not everyone does.
No, that's a lot. I put too much on there. I'm happy so far. Turn this way. I think I'm doing alright. Okay.
Okay. And I am set.
Hopefully.
Alright, what's next?
I'm just gonna go with the bronzer and the highlight.
Okay.
No idea what to put it on though. Sculpting. That's kind of like contouring. Get that one out. Highlighting. Bingo. Is highlighting and bronzing the same thing?
No.
So there's a specific brush for bronzer.
Mm-hmm.
And it's in here.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're lying to me. So I'm gonna do you up like war paint.
Thank goodness we are quarantined and no one will see me after you do whatever you do.
This is my train of thought.
Okay.
You do dark colors on high spots and bright colors on the low spots to help hide your face, but I feel like it might be the opposite for makeup.
Okay. So
You're not trying to hide anything. You're trying to be like out there, confident, you know? Stop laughing at me.
I didn't see it going. I didn't see that coming.
Let's trick this thing.
You open it. Is it bronzed enough?
I don't know.
Can you see it? Oh, I do see it right there. Beautiful.
Alright, and then, how do I mix that together a little bit? How do I blend?
Oh, we're blending it. I would use a bigger brush.
I'm also second guessing myself if I should have done the neck a little bit. I missed that. Cool.
Awesome.
The blush. Oh, dang it.
I mean, unless you want me to be a ghost. Without any...
I'm not a big fan of blush, honestly.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is just like some cheap business, right? Now we're gonna spray.
Okay.
Now this is like spray paint. Is this stuff that smells bad? I can't stand the smell of this stuff.
No, that one's a good one. You're gonna like
Okay.
this one.
Alright. Oh, jeez. Down that way. That way. How's that?
Doesn't this one smell good?
It smells better. The other ones are awful. I don't know if it even matters, but I kind of want to just do the eyebrows, get that out of the way.
Okay.
I think we do a little bit of pomade. And then...
Okay. Pomade it up. Oh, no. I don't want you ruining that brush. You don't dip it in that side.
So what do you do? Oh, this side?
Dip it in that side.
That was almost a grave mistake. So I'm using the flat side up here, and as it thins out, I'm turning sideways.
Oh.
That's just intuition. I have no idea. I don't even know if we need the pencil, but we might give it a go. I messed up a little bit here, but I might be able to blend that in with the eyeshadow. You know what I'm saying? Are you two-faced? You feeling two-faced today? We're gonna go with a little, what do you think? Totally Fetch Hot Pink? No, that's too bold. I'm gonna give you little sprinkles.
Did we prime my eyes?
Don't worry about it, it's fine. I'll prime the other one. Better one? It just doesn't look right, but I'm ready to go for it. There's way too many steps to this business.
Why do you think it takes me so long to get ready?
Yeah, see, I don't like the primer. It makes it look kind of pasty.
Yeah, if you don't put it on right.
I'm not really sure what I'm doing with this. I'm just gonna wing it. Open it. Come on, don't look at
Oh, sorry. Oh, we're going under too.
Barbie. Come on.
Save me.
Oh gosh. And this is where it goes downhill. Totally underestimated that.
It's waterproof too. It's gonna be a pain to get off.
Alright, we should hit the top on the other side.
Okay.
Well, we were doing good up until this point. Okay, where's the mascara?
Ooh, mascara.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna look down to lessen the chance of me getting stabbed in the eye. I need lips.
Oh my gosh.
You have a lot of options.
I'm just gonna pick this one.
Okay.
I'm okay with that. I think it looks decent.
Okay. So, am I done?
Mm,
Anything I need a little bit more of?
need less eyeliner. Is what you need.
So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment below with any of your makeup tips for Drew to do better next time. Also let us know if you enjoy seeing Drew in my videos or makeup themed videos. Obviously I'm normally baking, but maybe we'll start switching it up, you know? And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you're notified of any upcoming videos that I post. So we hope that you're staying safe and healthy during this coronavirus outbreak, and